Hello everyone. This is Amy with Simply Elizabeth Crafts, and this is the July 2025 Simply Creative Club. For Club in July, we are going to be using the Charming Day bundle. So it comes with dies and a stamp set. You can add on the bundle for cost only, as well as any other products that are used to create the projects in the Make and Take, which include inks and blends and that kind of stuff. So for Charming Day, for a club for July, you're going to get a full pack of the designer series paper that matches and coordinates with the bundle. You will also be getting a full pack of the embellishment, and you'll be getting a full pack of this beautiful petal pink braided ribbon to create those projects. Now, these are the 6 projects that are included in this month's kit, and I'll show those to you really quick. This is a very simple bundle to create some gorgeous projects with. Club is $45, and you have from now until July the 16th to register. You can find all the information in the link to this video, and if you have any questions, you can always email me as well. Club is $45 a month if you subscribe, and it also includes $25 worth of products, and if you stay consecutive as subscribed for 6 months, you get a $25 goodie bag from me on that 6th month. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, but you can also check all the information out in the link in the description of this video. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.